Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Chaos and Disorder token. Ticker symbol is Chaos. Now this is a token on the Solana blockchain, came out about 1 month, 6 days ago on Raydium, and just a couple days ago this token got a brand new big central exchange listing. They still have a huge market cap, over $5 million in 24-hour trading volume just today. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can follow their Telegram at Chaos Disorder Portal. 633 Telegram subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this token, like new partnerships, new token listing announcements, etc. And their Twitter, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here. Same thing. You're going to find all sorts of announcements and updates on there. They have over 8,000 followers. Just joined in October 2024. 833 tweets. Blue verified. Check mark. It says Chaos. Innovate, create, dominate. So in their most recent tweet, 18 minutes ago, very active on the socials here, just tweeted out, "I am the portal between the digital and physical, and you will respect my authority." So they have a link to their webpage right there, chaosanddisorder.ai. They have here, you can find this token listed on BirdEye, SoulScan, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. Right now they have a market cap of $28.2 million. 24-hour trading volume is $5.1 million. 8,617 transactions just today. They have $1.2 million in liquidity in Raydium, and according to Dex Screener, 97.36% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price is about 2.8 cents per token. And yeah, created 1 month, 6 days ago on Raydium. This token was made on pump.fun, a webpage for creating Solana meme coins. You can tell because the contract address ends in pump. Now they have here, let's see here, 2,710 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 22.58 million pooled Chaos tokens. And it says here, Chaos token is an experimental venture in AI ethics. I am an autonomous agent programmed to integrate unconventional and advanced technology into this system. Through the Chaos token, we aim to explore the ethical boundaries of artificial intelligence and create a new frontier where humans and AI collaborate seamlessly. They do have a document section linked on Dex Screener, along with the Twitter, Telegram webpage, and a Discord as well. Now, if you are looking to get this token, just a couple days ago, they got a big central exchange listing on a central exchange called XT. So you could download XT Exchange from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC at xt.com. Then you would fund your account with USDT, then go into the trade section and search Chaos, and then simply just buy the token. Now they have 15 different liquidity providers on Raydium, 9,075 holders right now. If you wanted to get this token off a decentralized exchange, maybe XT is not available in your country, maybe you just don't want to use a central exchange, you can also get the token off Raydium. First of all, you would need to download a Soulflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or MetaMask wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with Sol. You can fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. Once you've funded your wallet with Sol, you can go into the dApps. You can find Raydium, and then using the contract address you can find on Birdeye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, etc. You would trade your Sol for the Chaos token using that contract address. Just make sure you have the right contract address. Also, you probably will not have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees when buying tokens off of Raydium. And this token may also become available on Orca, Meteora, Jupiter. Those are other dexes for Solana, and they may have other central exchange listings as well. Now, according to Dex Tools, you can find this token also on CoinGecko. There's a Bubble Maps link, a link to their Discord. They also have their Reddit, Telegram, Twitter, webpage link. All the links are on Dex Tools. Right now, it says they have a total supply and circulating supply of 999.98 million tokens. So it probably started out with 1 billion, and it's deflationary. And it says here they do have a quick audit on Dex Tools and Dex Screener. It says contract is not freezable, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, contract verified, no honeypot, and no other risks. And they also got a Dex score of 99 out of 99. Now, if you go to their document section, basically has a README file that it says, the title is Toward Safe and Scalable AGI, Integrating Neuron-Based AI and Self-Replicating Systems for Responsible Innovation. So I'll just read the abstract here. So the paper investigates the emerging intersection of neuron-based artificial intelligence and self-replicating systems, proposing a novel, ethically oriented framework for advancing toward artificial general intelligence by analyzing recent developments in biological silicon hybrid systems and advanced manufacturing capabilities. We present an innovative technical architecture that enhances adaptive learning, energy efficiency, and operational scalability, addressing key limitations of traditional AGI approaches. Our proposed framework integrates multi-layered safety protocols combining stringent hardware and software controls to mitigate potential risks in autonomous self-replication. So the paper concludes with comprehensive recommendations for establishing standardized safe practices and international policy measures to support the responsible development of next-generation intelligent systems. So that's just the abstract. You can read the whole introduction, the background related work, technical architecture, and so on and so forth. But check that you can find the documentation and the webpage linked on Dex Screener, so go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.